In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable visual search in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. This is a super useful feature if you want to search using images instead of only text, making it easier to find similar products, objects, landmarks, or information directly from your browser. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can control the look and behavior of the browser. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. This section includes options for customizing how Edge looks and works. Now scroll through the appearance settings until you find browser behavior and the features. Click into that section. Here you'll see several browser-related options that affect how Edge performs and what features are available. Look for the option labeled Enable Visual Search. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. As soon as you switch it on, Visual Search will be enabled in Edge, allowing you to use image-based search features more easily while browsing. Depending on your version of Edge, this may immediately activate the feature or require you to refresh the browser. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, and that's it. You've now enabled Visual Search in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a moment, but it can be very helpful for faster and smarter searching online. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.